Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to view your credit balance available on your Temu account. And now let's dive right in. Now to view your credit balance on your Temu account, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And guys, over here at the bottom of the screen, you can see the home categories, U and the card buttons available. Just tap on that U section or the U button. And over here under your account section guys, you can see there is the credit balance available for us. Just below the coupons and offers, tap on that credit balance. And over here guys, you can see there is the 0.00 or the total USD dollars, and this is the place where you find your credit balance available on your Temu account. And guys, this is how you view your credit balance available on your Temu account on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.